Hi, today I'd like to show you around the AMEE Construction Calculator, a simple web application that allows you to measure the emissions associated with a construction or refurbishment project. This is the main screen where you manage your data for a particular project, in this case the refurbishment of the AMEE office. Each project is given a reference number, a value, a floor area measurement and a start date to allow you to generate useful metrics about the emissions relative to the size of a project. Emissions are broken down into 5 key areas: deliveries, materials, waste management, energy consumption and commuting. So let's add some data. I want to add some usage of steel into our materials list. So I'll enter a name of the material, steel bars. I'll choose the material type, steel, and I'll choose an amount, 100 kilograms. So we'll now see the amount of emissions relative to materials increase. So it went from 15% to 30% with the addition of that steel usage. And let's add a commute. So we'll add our plumber coming to the AMEE office on his car, 50 kilometers trip, 7 times in total. You can review to make sure that emissions have been added by checking the list. So in this case we can see the plumber's journeys that we just added and the emissions associated with them. On this screen you can also edit or delete an emission. The app can also be used by multiple users and for multiple projects. So you can see here that I can switch between 2 different projects. And using the user management tool, I can also add new users to edit a particular project. So users can be given administrative rights to change a project, or they can just be given review rights to look at the data and maybe do reporting on it. So that's an overview of the AMEE Construction Calculator, and it comes with all the benefits of using an AMEE app. It's a web app, so therefore available in a browser. It comes with an easy way to collaborate with other users, and therefore a much less error-prone way to manage this data than in a spreadsheet where you're managing multiple versions. The app is built on the AMEE platform, so it always sources the most up-to-date standards, ensuring that your reporting will always comply with the latest guidelines, so you won't need to restate your numbers. And the fact that your data is stored in AMEE also provides an easy way to let clients know what standards you are reporting to, as you can share the relevant standards using links from the AMEE Discover search engine. If you'd like to try a version of the AMEE Construction Calculator, you can set up a demo by following the links on the AMEE website or contacting sales@amee.com for further help. Thanks for listening.